In this video, I will review GoZen Growth email marketing software. Before watching our video, let's see guys what I will show you today. At first, I will explain what is GoZen Growth. Then I will show you GoZen Growth features, pricing, pros and cons, and overall why you should choose GoZen Growth. Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will review best digital tools that will be help your business. So guys, let's dive in. Guys, GoZen Growth offers a comprehensive solution for business looking to enhance their email marketing efforts. With a focus on improving email deliverability and implement smart campaign, GoZen Growth aims to help user nurture customer relationship and drive sales effectively. GoZen Growth features. Guys, one of the standout features of GoZen Growth is its automatic warm-up functionality, which gradually increases the sending volume for new and interactive email account. This helps improve sender reputation without triggering alarms for email service provider (EPS), ultimately boosting email deliverability. The platform also provides users with a range of smart campaign features and analytic dashboard, making it easy to track campaign performance and optimize strategy accordingly. From monitoring open rate and click rates to managing ABAS reports rates, GoZen Growth equips users with the tools they need to evaluate the success. They provide unlimited subscriber, drag and drop editor, 400 customizable HTML email template, 400 plus text email template, email campaign reports, mobile friendly email template, email scheduling, irrigation service, industry specific email marketing solution for business. They also provide subscriber management and premium sign up from. Let's see guys how to use GoZen Growth. When you log in your GoZen Growth dashboard, then you can see this page. First we create an email account, then you can click connect new account. You can easily edit your email account. One is Google and otherwise G Suite, or any service provider you connect IMAP and or SMTP, or you can connect any other provider. If you want to connect Google G Suite, then you can click this. They will show you how to connect Gmail to G Suite email account. This time I don't connect this account. Now we can see how to edit our list GoZen Growth. We can easily create our list. This button, you can enter your list name. You can easily write your list name and click button, and then you can see easily create your list. I will not create any list this time. We can import our contact list. If you want, you can easily edit your contact list manually or import your contact list, input your CSV file or MailChimp or opt-in link. Now we can see how to create smart campaign. Two way you can easily create your smart campaign. One, create with AI or create campaign manually. We can create smart campaign AI. You can create your name, number of email, how much email you can send manually. You can write your topic, write details, which tone you can write your email. You can write your email formal, casual, academic, business, whatever you want. You can write your language, which language you want to choose, and then you can create the button and easily create your smart campaign. Also you can create outreach campaign. Click this edit new campaign button and you can create your campaign name, subject line, sender email. Also edit your sender email, customize the reply to email address, then easily create, save and next. Then you can set up your goal, reception, confirmation. You can easily create your automation workflow. This email campaign you can create start from scratch. They provide automation template. You can create automation rules, create a automation workflow. You can choose any automation journey. This is the automation workflow they already create. You can just drag and drop editor. You can easily edit your text, or you can delete button. You can edit your URL, authorization token, whatever you want. Then you can easily publish this button and create automation workflow. I think this is the amazing tool. You can easily create your automation. Then you save this button. Then you can see automation workflow this dashboard. Or you can create start from scratch manually. This time we can create push notification. At first we create your list, then you can new campaign, then you can create your push notification guys. Or you can create your sign up form. You can choose your type pop-up or embed pop-up. We choose pop-up. First you can write your name. They provide 400 template gallery guys. You can choose any template whatever you want. I choose this template. You can easily edit your title, description, or edit your delete your button, customize your redirect link, and also use secondary button and choose your image guys, whatever you want, and choose your background color icon. You can easily edit your sign up from, and then you can see how it's work mobile or see and template view. Then you can save this button and create your sign up from. You can create your template gallery. They provide 400 email template. You can choose any template whatever you want. Also they provide integration service. You can easily connect your Shopify store connect or WooCommerce or Fabric. GoZen Growth pricing plan. GoZen Growth provide a different pricing plan. They provide can edit 200 contact per month, 200 emails sent, one user, 500 push notification, one account, one email, warm up inbox to sending domain, 100 email per month. Your XMTP. You can pre-build email template for integration service. Provide connect limited reputation analytics, sign up from and standard report. When you choose this standard plan, you will pay $9 every single month. Then you can edit 500 contact, 3 user, unlimited email sent, 5,000 push notification, 10 account and many more. And when you choose essential plan, you will pay $25 per month. And when you choose professional plan, then you will pay $99 per month. But the best deal of the AppSumo, because this software AppSumo provide lifetime deal. You will pay just $59. They provide license tier 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. License tier 1, you will pay just $59 one-time purchase lifetime account. They provide all features included. One user, 20,000 email per month, 20,000 push notification per month. You can easily edit 5 account, 3,000 AI email writer credit per month. Provide 3,000 AI email writer credit per month. Also you can warm up 5 email inboxes, 20,000 automation events per month. You can edit. You can easily create 15 sign up from and edit your 15 days. When you choose license tier 2, you will pay one time $139. You will easily your remove branding. And when you choose license tier, you will pay $259 one time and 10 remove branding also added and 10 agency work space this plan. Also you can choose license tier 4, you will pay $399 one time. You will easily work 25 agency work space. When you choose license tier 5, you will pay $699 one time, and this plan is everything of unlimited agency work space, remote branding, unlimited list, unlimited sign up from and many more guys. You can easily find this lifetime deal in my description box. Guys, if you are a new user, you can easily get 10% discount. When you click my link, you can easily create account and 10% discount on this AppSumo deals. GoZen Growth pros. GoZen Growth is a very affordable price. Is compared to monthly fees, there is a huge lifetime discount. They provide 60-day money back guarantee. If you don't like this software, you can easily refund your money. They provide excellent customer support. This software is very easy to use. It's great alternative to active campaign. This software UI is very simple and smooth. GoZen offer push notification to all tiers unlike the others AI powered features. They provide a free plan even don't require credit card. GoZen Growth cons. GoZen Growth is not provide Zapier integration service. Their docs is not so good. This is the pros and cons GoZen Growth software. So guys, why you choose this software? Guys, if you are an e-commerce owner, marketer, solopreneur, this is the perfect tool for you. GoZen Growth provides a robust email marketing solution suitable for business across various industries, including real estate and SaaS products. SaaS with its focus on email deliverability, smart campaign, and integration capability service. You can easily empower user. GoZen Growth empower user to drive revenue and scale their email marketing efforts effectively. So guys, I hope this software is perfect for you. You can must try to this software. You can find this software link in the description below. And lifetime discount AppSumo. This software provide lifetime deal AppSumo platform. You can find this software link in my description box. If you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you don't miss my upcoming video. So bye guys.